Take a look at this mass. Pretty sweet, huh? Get the shaka. Got that made. How's it, guys? This is John Kai, the Hawaii guy with Urban Nest Realty, providing you with a tour of a property here in Las Vegas, specifically in the city of Henderson, which is basically a suburb of Las Vegas. And I wanted to highlight for you what you can get for $400,000 here in Las Vegas, or in this case in Henderson. Well, this is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home. There's a den straight ahead off the main entryway. You can see, you know, it's maybe a classroom if you're doing some homeschooling. Formal living room area, very large, lots of natural light. And then these interesting French doors that open up into the main living spaces. Decent sized kitchen, it's workable. There's gas utilities, that's always a plus. Appliances and countertops and cabinets could do an upgrade. It's a very open floor plan, as you can see. Goes right into the family room, and the family room goes right out into the patio, which is right outside the pool. It's nice. It's not a large pool, it's a cute pool. It serves its purposes, especially in this desert heat. This is a pantry. Nothing fancy here, just a pantry. Laundry room and the garage. Okay, so pretty basic. What you would expect. So let's go take a look at the rest of the house. Let me give you some specs on this home while we're at it. Again, this is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home, and it is situated on about 6,100 square feet of land. It's got 4 bedrooms and 2 baths, or 3 of the bedrooms are located on one end of the home. This is the 3-bedroom area. So here's one of the bedrooms, fairly large. This bedroom here is probably about 14 by 11, it says. This is the bathroom that serves that 3 bedrooms on this end. Down the hall, 2 additional bedrooms. They're fairly, really small, 11 by 11 on each. Ceiling fans, could use some updating here with the lighting and the fans. Does a trick, small closets. And this is another bedroom here. So you can see decent lighting coming in. And right back into the family room area. And that's the kitchen. So very open. So you got some private spaces because straight ahead is the living room and the entry. And that study or den right there on the side there. Now we enter into the master bedroom. It's a good sized master. It's 20 by 15, 2 large windows. One opens up into the swimming pool area. I'd probably pop that out, put a door there. There's another window there. Bathroom is decent. Looks like some new shower doors there. Soaking tub, toilet in a separate room. Natural light coming in here. Walk-in closet. It's an okay size. And dual vanities for the master bath. This is the exterior. This is the pool. It's not a big yard, but it's nice to have a pool like this, just like a dipping pool. You can really swim around here. This covered patio area that helps with the heat, and that shed straight ahead stays with the property. Got some decent landscaping, some work that could be done here. You can obviously resod this or put in astroturf. That's what I would do, just to keep it always green. Got some nice shade trees going on here. So it's got a lot of potential. As long as the bones of this home are in good shape, I would say this is a good buy, because there's a lot of work that could be done that would just really make this home pop. But this is really nice right here. This step down exterior just to make it pop. See this here, but I got a pimple up here. What's going on? 55 years old and I got a pimple. I guess I'm still going through puberty. Who knows? Okay, back straight. All right, cool. We're set. All right, let me give you the specs on this house. How's it going, everybody? I'm John Kai, the Hawaii guy from Urban Nest Realty here in Las Vegas, Hawaii. Las Vegas, the 9th island, Las Vegas, Nevada. I want to share with you another property. Just to give you an idea of what you can buy for $400,000 here in Las Vegas. Now, this particular home is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home. It's situated on 2,234 square feet and sits in a lot with the size of about 6,100 square feet. Now, there's 3 bedrooms and 1 bath on one side of the home, and right in the middle is the kitchen right behind me, the family room right in front of me, and then back that way as we enter into the house is a formal living room with a little den or office area off to the side. On this side of the house is a master bedroom wing. So the master bedroom is pretty large. If I see here, it's 20 feet by 15 feet, which is a large size room. It's got a window that looks out into the pool area. It's got a nice master bathroom setup, and decent sized walk-in closet. And on 3 things that I like about this property and 3 things that I don't like about this property. Now, the things that I don't like in no way reflects poorly on the home, the homeowners or the sellers or the listing agent. It's just my personal opinion. I want to give you 3 things I like and 3 things I don't like. So let's start with the 3 things that I do like. Number 1, I like the open floor plan. Okay, I like that. Number 2, the second thing I like is the curb appeal. Really nice neighborhood, lined with homes that are owner occupied and well maintained. So this one is probably the eyesore on the street. So if you come in and buy this home and you do some upgrades on the exterior, your neighbors are gonna love you. Number 3, I love the backyard. It's not large, but it's doable. In the summer when it's so hot, you're not gonna spend a whole lot of time outside anyway. Most of your time is gonna be spent either indoors with the AC or underneath the patio or near the pool. And that's what this home has. It's pool oriented. There's a covered patio. I put some misters in there to make it even that much more comfortable and enjoyable. But overall, those are some nice features that this house offers. Now, 3 things that I don't like about this house. Basically, the things I don't like about this home are cosmetic in nature. One of the things I don't like is the different types of flooring that are being used throughout the home. So this is the flooring I'm talking about. You can see this different type of flooring between the family room and the kitchen. And then if you go into the bedroom wing, you get this gray slate tile type flooring. Not liking it. Look at that, horrible transition. Then if we go to the master, transitions into that. Not sure what kind of wood that is, but that's certainly synthetic. And I don't like the vertical blinds that are sitting on the sliding door. The third thing I don't like is the French doors that separate the living area from the family room area. That's weird. I don't like that. Like, nobody's ever gonna close that, like the French doors. It's just, it's weird. You know, just add another thing to this. It's the kitchen. I don't like the kitchen. It could be redone. That's a small, easy fix. Not gonna cost you an arm and a leg, but any money spent on kitchen remodels are good investments that really pay back almost 100% of what you put in. So it's money well spent. So that's a property tour of this particular home. It's on 177 Emerald Mountain Avenue in Henderson, Nevada. I like it. This is a good deal. It's priced at $175 a square foot. The main high school that services this area, the district, is Foothill High School. So keep that in mind. And again, 2,234 square feet, 4 bedroom, 2 bath. I probably would try to figure out how to add another bath into this house. So that's it. I hope you like this tour. If you need more information on this particular house, again, this is a house priced in the $400,000 range. If you need something in this area or you want something elsewhere, give me a call. I'm happy to help. I can help find the house here in Las Vegas that you can call home. I'm John Kai of, I was gonna say John Kai of Pinnacle Investment Group, my God. I'm John Kai, the Hawaii guy with Urban Nest Realty, wishing you all a great day. Aloha.